Hello, welcome to a new vlog. So today I came to my friend's house, my best friend from Peshawar, Pakistan. He invited me for a biryani, so I'm very glad to see him, and also he made a very tasty biryani today. As usual, he also makes a very tasty, but now it's in the process, so it will be tasty, of course. So here. So my friend just told me not to show him in the camera, so I'll just show you the cooking, the kitchen, and these are the stuff here. You know, it's a good place here, and I'm here. That's my bag, and I bought some 2 ayran. This is for for a taste, just for condiments, Coca-Cola, Bestie, it's changed to their names, Bestie and Love. So yeah, it's very beautiful. Wow, I can smell the spice. Wow, amazing. I also cook very tasty biryani, but my friend, he cooks more better than me. Yeah, thank you. Najib, this is our rice, yeah?
Yes.
So you'll add later this, yeah? You'll add this rice later. Wow, it's so beautiful rice. So I'll show you the next part. Thank you. Stay with us. So it's a beautiful view here, guys. So much beautiful view. So we are talking in Pashto, so I hope you like it. Some of you might understand Pashto. So Najib said there's rice fields more in Pakistan, and Pakistan is the most one of those countries, the most exporter of rice and producer of rice in the world.
Yes.
Especially the basmati rice, this one, like the extra long grain. And also Afghanistan is not that much, but Pakistan and India, these are two. Bangladesh as well. But Pakistani rice, I tasted always the best rice. I tasted it, so it's the best one. I'll also, including Uzbekistani rice, it's a little bit more extra long grain. But this is special biryani, chicken biryani is only used with long basmati rice. So first of all, we make the chicken like this, and we add spices. And once we are sure everything is okay, then we add the rice. So I have this one as well. Yeah. So now it's time to mix the things, guys. A special biryani. And this is brown rice, brown onions. Generally, we fry these onions, and put them together with the rice. So Najib, what do you say about this biryani?
Inshallah,
I really,
it will be really good.
I'm really getting hungry more.
Inshallah, it
Yeah,
will
as
be
long
really
as
good. Inshallah,
the more I see, the more I get hungrier, brother.
it will be really tasty.
Yeah.
Inshallah, it's smelling really good.
Of course, it's the
With the will of
best.
Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, inshallah, it will be
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
really good.
So my friend is a really nice person, not to say in front of him. He's a really good religious guy. I always respect him a lot. I really appreciate his kindness. He's a really good guy. We were students and classmates in Ukraine. Now I met him in Germany. So that's very good. We were cooking together in Ukraine. Now he's cooking for me because I don't have a kitchen, but one day I will also invite him once I have my own apartment. And maybe in these days we'll go to some place and have a barbecue party together. عجیب حالا چې ته چې دا چې د بریاني پخوې څوک نشي پخولی دا چې تا ته ما وکتلې که نه دا
خواري ورسره کوم که نه
خواري ورسره کوې نه ته this is the time چې ماسټر شف یې اوس ماسټر شف you are a master chef Najib
I am a master chef.
yeah this is a pity you know
It's
this
been
is
already 5 years since I'm
Yeah.
cooking these biryanis. I used to live with the Karachi boys,
Yeah.
so I took the recipe from them and I learned it with how they cook really,
yeah
style of their cooking from the Karachi boys, and now we are here.
yeah
So I am almost completed with the biryani right now. We need to layer these onions over, then put the rice more, just like that.
yeah brother
Sorry for the mess.
no it's
It's
okay
always
brother.
messy when you are cooking
yeah
biryani.
it's
you're
always
the-
messy
So
that's the special part
that's the special part.
yeah
It's always messy when you need to cook biryani. It's
Yeah.
always messy.
But I have to say this is the most special dish in the world I've ever eaten. The biryani, the chicken biryani.
Chicken biryani is the best.
Pakistan, you know, is special for its foods. Peshawar especially, Pakistan, India, some parts of Afghanistan. But this is mostly an Asian dish. So this is most popular in Pakistan and India. But all around the world people make this.
So cover it.
Biryani is I think an Urdu word, yeah?
Yeah. So here.
Yeah.
That's the issue.
Okay, thank you.
Here.
Wow. So now biryani is ready. So beautiful, so delicious.
كده انت بس.
Thank you.
لا انا تشغل لي كده.
لاندر لګیدلی لي کنه
خیر
خیر به پروا نه کوي
دا ګلاس شي بس دا بس کلاو پریدي دا د کیږي پکې نه دا بس د سی
دا سپل پکې زیاو صحیح دی نه خبر نشه راځه Okay, so our biryani is ready to be served. So bon appetita for both of us. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Good. So this is now. Wow. Guys, you know what? This biryani is super amazing.